Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make banana bread at home without oven full guide. Start by mashing bananas and mixing eggs, oil, sugar, and flour into a smooth batter. Pour batter into a greased loaf pan that fits your skillet and level the top. Cover tightly and cook on the lowest flame, checking every 10 minutes to rotate pan for even browning and doneness. In this video, I will show how to make banana bread at home without oven full guide. Prepare a deep pot with an inch of water and a rack, then preheat to a gentle simmer. Pour batter into a foil-wrapped loaf pan and lower onto the rack, covering the pot tightly. Maintain low simmer and steam until the center is set, then cool slightly before removing to slice and serve warm. In this video, I will show how to make banana bread at home without oven full guide. Quick recommendation. If you want a reliable bottle while you mix and taste, the O'Ala water bottle keeps drinks cold and is leak-proof, perfect for kitchen counters and picnic slices. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make banana bread at home without oven full guide. Mix batter thoroughly and pour into a microwave-safe loaf pan, smoothing the top for uniform cooking. Microwave at medium power in short intervals, testing with a toothpick between cycles to avoid overcooking. Let the loaf rest after the final cook, which helps crumbs set and makes slicing easier for a moist, tender result every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.